Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. SpaceX completed the largest IPO in history this week, and Bitcoin is clawing back from a brutal sell-off that pushed prices below $60,000. Standard Chartered analyst Geoffrey Kendrick is calling the bottom. SpaceX began trading on Nasdaq under ticker SPCX after raising $75 billion at $135 per share. The stock opened at $160 and surged to $172, valuing the company at over $2 trillion. The debut reportedly made Elon Musk the world's first trillionaire. Here's the crypto angle. Analysts believe roughly $5 billion in Bitcoin ETF outflows since mid-May were driven by investors liquidating positions to secure SpaceX IPO allocations. Now that the IPO is complete, Geoffrey Kendrick from Standard Chartered says the pressure is lifting. He's declaring Bitcoin's recent low of $59,000 as the cycle bottom. Bitcoin is currently trading at $63,800, and Kendrick maintains his year-end targets of $100,000 for Bitcoin and $4,000 for Ethereum. Kendrick is watching three confirmation signals: positive Bitcoin ETF inflows returning, renewed corporate treasury buying from firms like MicroStrategy, and continued declines in oil prices. Brent crude is hovering around $87 per barrel after easing on progress toward a potential US-Iran peace deal. On the regulatory front, the Clarity Act is nearing its final stage. The White House is targeting July 4th as the deadline to finalize the legislation. Over 200 crypto companies, including Coinbase, Ripple, Kraken, and Circle, signed an open letter urging the Senate to vote. If passed, the bill would formalize rules for digital assets and provide the regulatory clarity the industry has been demanding. Meanwhile, institutional infrastructure continues expanding. Kraken added support for USDC on the Canton Network, a permissioned blockchain designed for regulated financial institutions. Coinbase announced a major reveal scheduled for June 16th as part of its everything exchange strategy. One emerging concern: quantum computing risks. Coinbase's Quantum Advisory Council released a report warning that approximately 7 million Bitcoin face potential quantum vulnerability in the future. The council recommends starting post-quantum migration planning now. Separately, the US government ordered AI company Anthropic to suspend access to its most advanced models over national security concerns, sending Anthropic's pre-IPO shares down nearly 4%. XRP sentiment hit 8-month lows despite Standard Chartered projecting $4 to $8 billion in potential inflows to XRP ETFs if the Clarity Act passes. The token is currently trading at $1.14, down 69% from its July peak. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.